Welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to delve into the world of emails, specifically, how to send read receipts in Outlook. It's a handy feature that lets you know when your emails have been read, providing you with valuable information on email engagement. First things first, you need to open your Outlook application. It's typically found on your desktop or in your program list. If you're using a web browser, just type in Outlook.com in your address bar and sign in with your account credentials. Once you're in, it's time to compose your email. Click on New Email at the top left corner of your screen. This will open up a new window where you can write your email, add recipients, and include any attachments if necessary. Now let's get to the part where we set up read receipts. Go to the Options tab in the email window. Here, you'll find a section labeled Tracking. Under this, there's an option to request a read receipt. Check this box, and you're all set. Once you've finished writing your email and setting up the read receipt, all that's left to do is hit Send. Now, whenever your email is opened by the recipient, you'll get a notification letting you know. It's a simple yet effective way to keep track of your email communication. And that's it. You've now learned how to send read receipts in Outlook. Remember, this is a tool to help you manage your communication, not a guaranteed way to ensure your emails are read. Use it wisely and happy emailing!